Hello. So we're going to be taking a look at these mini Tesla modules that you can buy on eBay or Banggood. I just bought this one as a try out. Obviously it comes as a kit, it's all in bits. The fan doesn't come with it. Some might, some won't. And you just assemble it. Does, like I say, it gives you the option there for the fan. That's where I've tapped it into. So it gives you that option to add a fan. It don't get super hot, but I'd sooner keep things cool. Yeah, so you can power it up. I can't remember the voltages. I don't know if it's on here or not. Did have the voltages, I think. I think it's 24 volts or something like that. It might be on here. It doesn't say. I'll have to get the voltages because I'm not quite sure what they are. Does it say there? Yeah, it says there between 5 volts and 24 volts. So at the moment I'm just going to be currently powering it with a wall socket. It's 6 volt rated. Because obviously I don't like the it gives off. Oh, where's the wire gone? Yeah, so you can barely see it. It's just there, Yeah, because of the plasma, it gives off ozone gas. So obviously, the higher the voltage, the more of the ozone you're gonna get. I believe it's supposed to be bad for you as well to breathe in. So I'm just gonna power it up. Also, with these, you also get the option to put audio in. So you can put an audio signal and it will actually generate sound. Unfortunately, I can't show that to you because there we go. There's the plasma. I'll go over. It does burn. It's very, very hot. It won't shock you though. But yeah, if you play audio in through the jack on this side, you will hear it come out of the plasma itself. This fan's a bit bloody noisy. Nice start. It's a bad one. I took it off my printer for that very reason, because it's so noisy. It's a bit better. Just about to see the plasma on it. Like I say, we hardly gain any power really. They're 6 volts, so we're only like 1 volt above the well, I should say the recommended. I mean the minimum. But yeah, I've had it to 12 volts and I've cranked it a little bit higher as well, and it does get louder as well when playing music through it. Like I say, I can't show it because when I plug my audio in from the PC, this electromagnetic whatever it's doing is at a frequency where it's able to send the computer to lolly. So yeah, so I can't put audio in. Anyway, I can do it from my phone, but obviously I'm using that for recording at the moment. So, but yeah, they're quite simple to build, cheap. Like I say, if you don't mind that smell of the ozone gas, I mean, I would ventilate it personally. But yeah, they're quite fun little things. But also the neat little thing with them is that you can put one of these high voltage light bulbs. I can't think what they're called, but they usually have them in old AC circuits to let you know that they're switched on. But just put it near it, look. Obviously it lights up really brightly, and it'll do the same to any any gas tubes. They'll light up when you put it near it. The closer you get, the brighter it gets. Like I say, no tricks. I can just put it on here. I can balance it. There you go, it's lighting up like magic. I also thought that by putting these two together that it might short it out. You can see the lighting up. Yeah, I thought if you'd have shorted these two together, it'd actually stop it from doing it. I'm going to short them out together. But no, it doesn't make a difference. Like I say, it's just exciting the gas, so it doesn't really make any difference whether there's a connection there or not. So yeah, that's it's insane. It's crazy though, because also, obviously once you get closer to it, it actually knocks out the plasma on this side. But yeah, it's quite fun. You do get the odd sensation sometimes of burning in your fingers. I don't know if that's because the plasma's jumping into this somewhere and then burning you, but yeah. I was thinking about making a bigger one of these. I did make one like some years back, but this circuit, the way they've got this set up, is actually better because it runs both sides of the sine wave. I did make one of my own, but I used to turn a lot bigger tube than that, and I just used the one transistor. It might have been a MOSFET. I'm not quite sure now. But when I was playing years ago, and yeah, that did light things up, and it did it in quite a big range as well. It was turning my TV on and off. It was turning the PlayStation on and off. It was yeah. It was energising just about everything and triggering everything, especially switches and things. It's crazy. So I put an end to it, and that was only low voltage as well, if I remember rightly. I think it was about 5 volts, somewhere around about, say about 7 amps maximum. Yeah, quite fun, easy to build, something for you to do. But yeah, nice little Tesla. Like I say, I'd love to show you playing, but I can't think of a way at the minute of getting any audio to it. So freed you out to look. Thanks for watching.